When you first install Ubuntu Server, there are several tasks you may want to perform to set up and configure the system. Here's a basic guide to get you started.
1. Change root password by running the following command: sudo password root. Test the root user by running su. Enter the password you set just now. 2. Update and upgrade the system by running the following commands: sudo apt update, sudo apt upgrade. 3. Make sure the openssh-server is installed to allow you to connect to your server remotely using SSH. 4. Edit the SSH configuration file to allow root access. 'Save the file and restart the SSH service. 5. Enable the firewall and allow the SSH rule. 6. Set the correct time zone for your server. 7. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Ubuntu Server tutorials. See you in the next one.